आई होप कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। तो आज हम लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं। इट्स अ फ्राइडे। सो काफ़ी दिन हो गए थे कि हम लोगों ने स्पेशली आफिया के लिए कोई ज़ू या कोई इस तरीके की प्लेस विज़िट नहीं की जो उसको पसंद आए, जहाँ पे वो इंजॉय कर सके। तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू विज़िट डायनासोर पार्क विच इज़ इन दुबई, जबील पार्क, नियर जबील पार्क. So I thought we will do a tour, and I shall take you guys along with me and give small glimpse of what it is exactly, what are the charges, is it worth visiting. Actually, I have visited this park quite a few time back when it was new, around 4 years back. Afia wasn't born that time. So when I was new to Dubai, तो तब मैंने ये पार्क विज़िट किया था, एंड दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड टाइम, बट फॉर आफिया दिस इज़ गोना बी हर फर्स्ट विजिट टू दिस पार्क, एंड लेट्स सी हर रिएक्शन, हाउ शी इज़ गोइंग टू enjoy, or she's gonna like it or not. And she's really excited to see dinosaurs. She have this really crazy concept about dinosaurs and stuff. So let's go and let's have a look at this park, and I hope you enjoy. This one suddenly started. So this was a great visit. Afia really loved this park, and I also want to give some more details about this park. Like even I was not aware about it when I went at the gate. When I went at the ticket counter, we came to know that this park has been bifurcated in three parts. One is Dubai Glow Garden, and the other one is Dinosaur Park, and there is one more which is very new. It's Magic Park. And earlier it used to be only Dubai Glow Garden, and Dinosaur was a part of it, but now it's been divided in three parts, and even the tickets and charges are different for all of them. You may get discounted prices on the ticket counter itself,
or you can also check their online portals. On all online portals, they have a better discount rather than at the ticket counter. When we went at the ticket counter, the charges for all the three parks was 110 dirhams for each person, and we did not wanted to visit Magic Park because visiting two parks at a time was more than enough, and it's a huge park in itself. So walking all the way with two kids was going to be very tiring, so we decided we'll be visiting only two parks. And the charges for Dinosaur Park and Dubai Glow Garden was 65 if I'm not wrong, but we checked online, and there was some discount going on, so we got each ticket for 55 dirhams, and we also had to pay for Afia. I think above 1 year or above 2 year the charges apply, you have to pay for a whole ticket. It's not like there's going to be any half ticket or something. You have to pay the same amount for everyone. So except Renaya, we had to pay for three of us. And also I would like to mention that the parking area over there is chargeable. So for I think 24 hours the charges is 10 dirhams. And so basically we paid 150 dirhams for three of us. And inside there was a train ride, and there was this panda kind of train ride, and both were 20 dirhams each seat. So only me and Afia had this ride, and we paid 40 dirhams. It was a great ride. We really loved it, and we did not see the train and the ride when we first entered. We walked all the park, and then Afia wanted to have a train ride. So all in all, it was a good experience. I really liked the visit. Afia really liked the visit. And that's all. That's how my Friday was. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.